Jamaican alien sighting in 1978. Back in 1978, in Clarendon, Jamaica, a young girl was going shop. It was very dark because in those times there wasn't any street lights. She was afraid, so her mother sent her older brother to follow her to get kerosene oil to put in the lamp. On their way back up the road after buying the oil, they saw a very bright light that almost blinded them.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Her older brother take off up the road, leaving the young lady behind. She started to scream as the bright light circled around her 3 times and making a buzzing sound. She started to pray, and just like that, the light just flashed across the sky, like a shooting star, and disappear. She couldn't see what the thing was. She could only see a very, very bright light and hear the buzzing sound. When she reached home, she almost fainted. Her mother rubbed her down with Bayram as she tell them what had happened.
Check out the playlist for more.